I'm Janelle Endres with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, and today I would like to introduce you to 1740 West Lagoon Circle in Clearwater, Florida. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath open floor plan is almost 1,000 square feet, has been meticulously maintained, and its convenient location is likely one of Clearwater's best kept secrets. Let's go inside and see. Enjoy the extraordinary privacy and spacious layout of this property in a wonderful neighborhood on a quiet street. You will enjoy years of comfort with this 2-bedroom, 2-bath family room and kitchen with Bosch appliances. The large fenced yard is flat and offers plenty of room for play or a swimming pool. Additional stunning living space is provided with a completely enclosed lanai, offering the utmost in privacy and relaxation. The alluring location provides coveted easy access to shopping, transportation, and the incredible Clearwater Beach. West Lagoon Circle is aggressively priced, and if you are thinking about buying this wonderful home, call me, Janelle Endres, and I will show you an opportunity for peaceful living. Remember, with our VIP buyer guarantee, if you are not satisfied with this purchase within 12 months, we will sell it for free. Also, if you are thinking of selling a home, call me. We guarantee the sale of your home, or we will buy it ourselves. Call me and start packing. Janelle Endres at 727-515-9551. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful information below.